In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in HubSpot. Let's dive right in and explore this process step by step, ensuring you have all the tools you need to effectively manage your communications. To begin, you'll first need to open HubSpot and log into your account. This will lead you to your homepage, and from here, our journey begins. Our next step is to navigate to the trial guide. This is an important resource hub, offering valuable information to help kick off your form building process. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the available resources. You might find some useful tips and tricks that will aid you as we progress. Now that you're on your homepage, look toward the top of your screen and click on the Marketing tab. This will reveal a menu of options. From here, you'll want to click on Email to advance to the next step. Once you're on the email page, you'll see the option to Create Email. Go ahead and click it. This action will present you with 3 different email types: regular, automated, and blog. For today's purpose, we're focusing on creating an automated email, so be sure to select Automated. Now, I should mention that if you're using the free version of HubSpot, there will be a slight limitation. Unfortunately, you can't proceed with automated emails unless you upgrade to a paid version. But don't worry, as I can still guide you through what the process would look like if you had full access. Assuming you have access, clicking on Automated brings up a selection of templates. Here, you have the flexibility to choose one that aligns with your business needs and goals. Go through the templates, and once you find one you like, you can select it. This is where personalization kicks in. You'll want to enter a name for your email. This helps keep your emails organized and easy to identify later on. After entering the name, click Create Email, and this is where the creative process begins. You can edit the content of your email to tailor it to your audience. Be sure to convey your message clearly and concisely to maintain engagement with your readers. Next to the Edit tab, you'll find the Settings tab. Click on it to adjust your email's settings according to your preferences. These settings might include the email's sender details, subscription options, and more. Make sure everything is set up just the way you want it. Once you've completed the settings, it's crucial to review your email. Click on Review and Save, ensuring everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied, save your email for automation and click Publish Email. This will finalize your automated email, making it ready for use in your workflows. With these steps, you're well equipped to create automated emails in HubSpot that seamlessly integrate into your workflows and enhance your communication strategies.